In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Coinbase account, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free process. Closing a Coinbase account is a significant step, as it's both permanent and irreversible, so it's important to follow each step carefully and understand what you need to do before you begin. First, you'll need to sign in to your Coinbase account. Please remember that if your account is not verified, obtaining assistance from Coinbase support is necessary as they will help guide you through the process. Once you're signed in, the next task is managing your Web3 wallet and account balances. You must cash these out and reduce them to zero. This part can take a few business days, often up to 5, so be sure to plan accordingly. For any balances that are too small to handle transaction fees, you have the option to send them elsewhere or simply forfeit them. Pending transactions are the next detail to address. It's crucial to ensure that all these transactions are fully completed before proceeding to close your account. Any unfinished business could complicate the closure process, so double check that everything is settled. Additionally, it's wise to download any reports you might need for tax or accounting purposes before initiating the closure. Once your account is closed, you won't be able to access these reports again. By being proactive, you'll save yourself the headache of scrambling for this information later. For those of you with a Coinbase One subscription, be sure to cancel the subscription to avoid any future fees. It's a simple yet important step that prevents unnecessary charges after your account has been closed. Once you've handled these preparatory actions, you're ready to proceed to the Close Account page. After navigating to this page, you'll select the Close option. It's important to be prepared for this step and recognize that it marks the point of no return. Closing your account will require you to complete the two-step verification process. This is an added security measure to ensure it is you who is making this request. Follow the prompts and respond to any remaining questions asked by the site. These final steps are designed to confirm your decision and ensure all necessary details have been handled. By following these detailed instructions, you can close your Coinbase account with confidence, knowing you've covered all your bases. Thank you for tuning in, and if these steps have helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.